Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today. Price all over the place, but now that the dust has settled here, want to get a couple of main levels mapped out from the technical point of view that I think a lot of people will be watching, and I make that comment about a lot of people because when there are lots of people watching the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And the first level that a lot of people will be watching just as a support area is right down here at $9.40. I mean, if you go through the history of the chart, you can see right here, 940 did a fantastic job holding strong. Right there, bounced directly off it, and then you fast forward to late morning today, and once again, right there where the price bounced off of it. So I'm not saying that the price is actually going to, go back down to $9.40 or anything like that. I'm just saying that from the general, perspective of things, 940 is certainly going to be one of those levels that a lot of people will be watching. So you're going to want to see that continue to hold as support, because if the price were to go down there and then break down below it, well, not a guarantee. It's definitely a rational thought to have that any sorts of breaks of 940 could very well create some downward selling pressure. But again, as of right now, it's not like the price is anywhere close to potentially violating that. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, I want to offer up a bit more perspective here. So we'll squeeze down the chart. But the next key overarching level of resistance, the price got somewhat close to today, not quite, is right up here at $10.20. Again, if you go through the history of the chart, you can see 1020 was a problem point a couple of times there, another time there. And like I said, didn't hit it today, but got up within the general vicinity and was, presenting a problem. So $10.20, again, going to be that other general level to watch moving forward. I mean, if you really want to, I suppose you could just call this a sideways channel pattern. But more of the story from a very, cut and dry perspective, those are going to be the two main technical areas to watch moving into Tuesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.